welcome back to my channel. My name is Carla Mingo, and today's video is a video on making homemade eggnog. I love eggnog. I cannot wait until the holidays when the stores are carrying it, but I really want to see if I can do this from scratch. I've never made it before. You're gonna get to see me do this for the first time. I found a recipe online. We're gonna see how this turns out. You get to watch me make this eggnog from scratch. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Please subscribe, like, and comment. If you guys would like, you can follow me on Instagram at I am Carla Mingo. And so let's go ahead and jump right into this video. We're gonna start with the ingredients first. I'm going to need 6 large egg yolks, which I've already put in this bowl. You're going to need a ½ cup of granulated sugar. You will need a cup of heavy whipping cream, so I already have that. You will need 2 cups of milk, 1 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, a pinch of salt. You will need 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, ground cinnamon for your topping. You're gonna need a whisk and a large bowl, and you'll need a saucepan also. So let's go ahead and get started. Guys, I am a little nervous because it's new for me and I don't know how this is going to turn out. And so I hope it's going to be delicious. So, okay guys, so what I'm going to do first is I'm going to pour these egg yolks into this bowl. Okay, so now we're going to add the sugar to these eggs, and it says to whisk the egg yolks and sugar together in a medium bowl until light and creamy. So sugar and egg yolks, okay? Let's do that. It says we're gonna mix this until light and creamy. So you're going to keep You're going to keep whisking this until it turns like a lighter color. I need to work out, I guess, because my arms should not be feeling tired from whisking this for a few minutes, but it is. This is a lot of work. Okay. I'm gonna try the other arm, which I can't really whisk. Okay. I'm gonna move this over and see if I can get my whisk on and make it get done faster. Okay, so now this is whipped, and the next thing we're going to do, we're just gonna set this aside. I have my saucepan here, and so we're going to combine the milk and the cream. We're gonna put all of this together in our saucepan. Milk, heavy whipping cream, our nutmeg, a ½ teaspoon. So a pinch of salt, a pinch. I don't know what a pinch is, but there you go. Okay, so we're going to simmer this milk and heavy cream. We're going to turn this on medium heat and let this heat up. So yes, if you guys have made homemade eggnog before, comment and let me know like what you do differently or any suggestions, because I'm not sure how this is going to turn out, but I'm really excited about it. So it's heating up on the stove right now, and so yes. So while that's heating up, do you guys like my outfit? Y'all know I love to show like cute clothes and things like that. So I am not a sponsor for this outfit at all. I'm not getting anything for it, but it is by UGG. The little robe is by UGG. The pants is by Barefoot Dreams. And then I have my little UGG slippers on. So I just thought this was just such a cute little at-home outfit. So anyway. Okay guys, so I have my heated up cream. And then I have my egg yolk and sugar. So what you're going to do is you're going to put a little bit of this warm milk mixture in here at a time, and you're gonna whisk it. So I'm gonna put a little bit in here and then whisk. A little more. Whisk. Now that we have added all of our mixture in here, we are going to now pour all of this back into the saucepan. And we're going to place this back on the stove and heat this up. So it's now back on the stove. We're going to heat it up and we're gonna whisk constantly. So you do not want to walk away from this. You want to stand here and whisk. And let it heat up. I'm just gonna go ahead and turn it up. It's only for a few minutes. We don't want it really boiling and not too hot. The recipe said heat it up to 160 degrees. I don't have a thermometer, so I don't know. I'm just gonna heat it up a little bit. Okay guys, so I have finished heating up this mixture on the stove, and now I'm going to add a little vanilla. 1/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla. So that's not very much. I may have to go back and add some more sugar, vanilla, depending on how I like it. I like my eggnog really seasoned. But we're going to follow the recipe. That just doesn't seem like enough to me, but we're gonna do 1/4. I'm gonna mix that together. So our last step is we're going to pour it in a pitcher, and I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for 1 hour and let it cool down, and then we're going to try it, okay? This little picture, I got this off Amazon. This is such a nice little picture because you can make hot tea. In this picture, you can put this on the stove and actually put it like on your burner and it won't break, even though it's glass. But yeah, it's just an amazing little picture. I'll put the link below in the description. So let's just go ahead and pour in our eggnog into this pitcher. So I'm just gonna taste a little bit off the spoon, and then we'll see. Oh, this is going to be so delicious. I'm so excited. Like, it's so good. Okay, so let me put the top on here. Put this in the fridge for 1 hour, and then we're gonna come back and have a glass, okay? Okay, I'm back. This is the moment of truth. I have my daughter Summer here. She is going to be a very tough critic because she's loved eggnog since she was a child. So we're gonna go ahead and try it and see how it comes out. I let it chill for several hours because it took a long time. So let's go ahead and try this. We're just gonna do a little bit.
Do I have to wait for you?
Well, do you want a little cinnamon on it? Okay, there's the cinnamon. Go ahead and put you a little cinnamon. And I'm going to add a little whipped cream to mine. So a little bit of cinnamon. Just a touch. Okay, Summer, you go first and tell me what you think.
Cheer, cheer.
Cheer, cheer. Be honest. Compare it to like the eggnog you buy in the store. And if it's not as good as the store brand, that's okay. We're gonna let them know it's not as good, but I really want your honest opinion.
It's delicious.
So you like this better than Borden's and all those other brands?
It's sweeter and it's creamier and has more flavor. The other ones seem watered down. This one actually feels like
eggnog. My God, this is better than any store brand eggnog. I don't know if it's because it's fresh or what, but it is very creamy and it's very rich and has a lot of flavor. Like, it is so delicious. If you want some homemade eggnog, this is the recipe. I'll link the recipe below. And this is great for holidays, for your family to make together and just sit by the fire and have some good eggnog. Guys, thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.